This was humanity's first encounter with an alien civilization invading Earth. People were on edge, fearing the extraterrestrials would immediately wage war. But to everyone's surprise, the alien spacecraft made no hostile moves. Instead, it landed and formed a towering crystalline structure hundreds of meters tall. The government quickly cordoned off the area and dispatched scientist Jack to investigate. As Jack approached, a door unexpectedly materialized in the crystal, as if beckoning him to enter. Though hesitant due to the potential dangers, Jack knew he had to uncover the aliens' true intentions for the sake of all mankind. Cautiously, he stepped inside. The interior was a vast, dark void. Suddenly, a figure emerged from the shadows. It was Jack himself. The doppelganger explained that he was an Archaean who had assumed Jack's appearance to put him at ease. When questioned about their purpose on Earth, the Archaean claimed they had come to help humanity, on one condition. If humans accepted their gifts, they must immediately cease all scientific research and space exploration. Jack flatly refused, but the Archaean urged him not to be so hasty. He produced a metal sphere and instructed Jack to place it anywhere on Earth that had been polluted.
It's not gonna blow up the planet.
We could have done that already.
So Jack took the metal ball back. Despite the other scientists' misgivings, Jack argued that if the aliens truly meant harm, they wouldn't bother with such an elaborate ruse. They ultimately agreed to test the sphere at an abandoned nuclear plant, where a previous meltdown had wiped out all life for miles. As the sphere plunged into the contaminated water, the ground shook and a green mist billowed outward like a storm. Fearing a toxic gas, everyone hit the deck. But as the haze cleared, they were stunned to find the desolate wasteland replaced by a lush forest, the air fresh with the scent of foliage. Tests confirmed the once heavily polluted soil was now pristine. Perhaps the Archaeans were truly benevolent after all. As the scientists discussed the promising prospect of an alliance, however, they received shocking news. A spacecraft that had lost contact a year prior was now returning to Earth via wormhole. The astronauts were given a hero's welcome, but their faces turned ashen at the mention of the Archaeans. On their journey, they had encountered a planet with similar crystal structures, but its inhabitants had all been reduced to skeletons. The Archaeans' aid was clearly just a ruse. They must be plotting something far more sinister.